First of all, thanks for being here in my YouTube channel. So friends, before getting into the video of Target-100 series, so I just want to say two quick information. So the first is the test series. So do not forget, each and every student, those who are preparing for the bank exams, any bank exam, do not forget to purchase the test series on my website or my mobile application. It is only 99 rupees. You can able to write all the test series which is inside the package. Do not forget to buy it immediately, because anytime the price might be increased. Now it is only 99. Do not forget to buy the test series. The first thing. And the second, where you can able to get the complete videos of Feel Free to Learn, what I posted on my YouTube channel in an offline mode. We copy all the videos and give it to you in the form of pen drive. So you can able to watch all my videos in an offline mode. Do not forget to WhatsApp us. Our team will tell you the details. So friends, at last, this is one of the most important series video, that is Target-100. Definitely those who are preparing for the bank exams, it can be any, it can be RRB clerk, RRB PO, it can be any bank exam. Do not forget to watch all the videos of Target-100. So now starting from the first video, and just play the video, right? Just play the video. Take a note and simultaneously you too try to solve the question. Within 1 hour or within 2 hours, you can solve 100 questions. A perfect revision video. Do not forget to watch all my Target-100 series, those who are preparing for the bank exams. And test series and videos, never forget it. So now let me get into the video of Target-100. So friends, now in this video, that is Target-100 series, on the fourth topic, we are going to solve 100 questions on data interpretation. So I don't know how much time it takes. So if possible, I will try to split into two parts, 50 question and 50 question. Why? Because I think 100 question in DA, it might take 3 to 4 hours of time. So based upon the timing, I have split into two videos. Right. So data interpretation, everyone knows it. It's the most important topic for the bank exam aspirants. And remember one thing, in the prelims exam, based upon the exam category, where the DA will be easy to medium in the prelims exam. And if you take the mains exam, definitely it will be harder. Right. So without preparing and without studying data interpretation, clearing a bank exam is not at all possible. Right. So you have to prepare DA. So practice more and more number of questions. So now we will be solving 100 questions on data interpretation. So before solving all the questions on DA, so everyone should know some of the basic stuff. The first thing, the formulas, important 5 to 6 formulas in a DA. The first formula is X is what percentage of Y. So what is the formula? X is what percentage of Y? X divided by Y into 100. So the second formula, X is what percentage more or less than Y. For more as well as less, the formula is same. If you got the answer in positive, then it is more. If you got the answer in negative, then it is less. That's the formula, right? So friends, and the third important formula will be percentage change formula. So percentage change will be A plus B plus AB by 100. So these are the three important formulas. Still there are many formulas are there, converting degree into percentage, or else a population increase, population decrease. Many formulas are there, but while solving I will teach you all that. But the major formula is this three. It percentage change, X is what percentage of Y, and X is what percentage more or less than Y. And most important part in the data interpretation is the comparison. The value that you are going to compare should always comes in the denominator. Never forget it, right? The formula X by Y into 100. For example, I am saying X is what percentage of Y. Some sentence will be there. So some students will wrongly write the X value in the denominator, Y value in the numerator. So there is a formula X minus Y into divided by Y into 100. Similarly, X minus Y minus X divided by X into 100. So here you can able to see the major difference is X minus Y by Y. But here Y minus X by X. The thing here is, you should not sit and by heart these kinds of formula. It's completely time waste. You should understand one important thing. The value that you are going to compare should comes in the denominator. Here our target is to compare with Y. So only we are using Y in the denominator part. In this formula, the comparison value is X. That's the reason we have put X in the denominator. So friends, understood this point or not, right? So in many of my videos I have told this, whatever the value, for example, Raju score how much percentage more when compared to Ravi. So they are comparing a Raju mark with Ravi mark, yes or no, right? So if the comparison mark is with Ravi, right, what score that Ravi got is comparing with Raju. So the target here is the Ravi mark should comes in the denominator. Always which person or which value they want to compare, that value should comes in the denominator. Never forget it, and kindly do not sit and waste your time to learn all these kinds of formula. I have seen students by-hearting the formulas. Kindly don't do that. In data interpretation, you don't want to by-heart any formulas. Just like that, by seeing a chart you can solve the value. Right? So I will teach you all those things. I have already taught everything. So here, while solving a question, in case if there is any new shortcuts or easy techniques, I will surely teach here. So friends, now let me move on to all the sets on Target-100 that is based on data interpretation. The first set of data interpretation. So here they have given a chart that is train L 15%. So the total number of passenger has been given, that is 8,500. So out of this total 8,500, there are train L, A, Q, R, S and M. Some of the percentage values are given, right? The passenger value is not directly given, so they have given a percentage value, right? So easy chart. So let me move on to the first question. What was the approximate average number of passenger in train S, train M and train L together? So our target is to find approximate average number of passengers, right? So we have to find the approximate value as well as the average number of passengers. So you don't want to find the train S, M, L separately. Just add all the three values. S is how much? S is 24%, L is 15% and M is 20%, right? So 20, 40, 50, 59. So 59% is the total number of passengers in train S, M and L. But our target is to find the average, right? So divided by 3 into the total number of passengers in the train were 8,500. So we can cancel percentage and 0 here, because percentage will be divided by 100. So we can cancel it, right? So this becomes 3 2s are 6. Remaining will be 2, 25. 8 3s are 24. And now our target is to find an approximate value. So instead of finding into a decimal value, so we can, just like that, we can approximate this as 28. So now 59 into 28. So 59 into 28, 2 times 40, 18, 5 times, so 5 2s are 10, 6, 16. So 1652. So approximately 1652. So based upon the options, right, by looking at the options, and we have to search the nearby value. So according to the question, I don't have any options or as well as the answers. So, but I think this is the approximate answer for the question, right? So 1652 will be the answer for question number 1. Got it? So next question. So if the train are 34% of the passengers and females and 26% of passengers are children, what is the number of male in the train? So friends, according to question number 2, our target is to find what is the number of males in the train are. So first, train are, how many percentage of passengers are there? 9%. So we know that the total number of passengers are 8,500. Out of this 8,500, so first our target is to find how many passengers are in train R. Train R, which is 9%. So cancel percentage and 20. So 9 5s are 45. So remaining will be 4. 72 plus 4 will be 76. 765. So 765 is what? The total number of passengers in the train R. So now, according to the question, 34 passengers are female. 26 passengers are children. Just here, we know that the total passengers in train R is 100%, right? So let me keep it. This 76 as 100%. So out of 100%, where 36% are female, 24% are children. So our target is to find the male, right? So let me subtract 36, 24, 60% are females and children. So out of 100 percentage, if 60 percentage are females and children, so remaining 40 percentage will be males, right? So now our target is to find what is 765 40 percentage, because this out of this 765 where 60 percentage were females and children. So our target is to find males, right? So 40 percentage of 765. So we can cancel percentage 10 here. So which will be 4 by 10. So 4 by 10 into 765. So this can be written as 76.5. So 4 into 76.5. So 5 fours are 20. So remaining will be 2. 6 fours are 24. 24 plus 2 will be 26. So 7 fours are 28. 28 plus 2, 30. So answer will be 306. So 306 will be the total number of males in the train R. So train R, total number of males will be 306. So which will be the answer for question number 2, right? So friends, understood the concept or not, right? First, initially you should not directly find this value. Why? Because they are targeting on train R. So first we have to find how many passengers are in train R, and then we have to find how many males are in train R. In order to find how many males, you have to subtract the total passengers, female as well as children. That's what I did here. 36% is female, 24% is children. So after subtracting with the total, resultant will be, total is 60. So resultant will be 40. So this 40% will be the male percentage. So finding 765, what is 40% of 765? Resultant will be 306, right? So which will be the answer for question number 2. Okay, so question number 3. So the number of passengers in train Q is approximately what percentage of total number of passengers in train A and train R? So here you can able to see the formula, right? Just see the number of passengers, sorry, what is the question? Yes, the number of passengers in train Q is approximately what percentage? So here we found the formula called what percentage, x is what percentage of y. So here the value of x will be train Q. So train Q is how much? 19%. So 19% in the numerator. You don't want to find what is 19% of 8,500. It is not required. Why? Because in numerator we will get 8,500. Denominator also we will get 8,500. So we will directly cancel it. So instead of that, you don't want to write 8,500, all those stuff, right? So divided by train A and train R. So train A is how much? 13%. Train R is how much? 9%. So into 100. That's it. So friends, understood this area or not, right? So the formula what I wrote is x by y into 100. X is what percentage of y. So x will be the numerator part. Y will be 2 train denominator part, and you don't want to write of 8,500 of 8,500. That is not needed. So directly this can be written as 19% divided by 22% of 100, that is into 100. So percentage we can cancel it. So 19 divided by 22 into 100. So our target is to find an approximate value, right? Okay, so we can cancel it. 0, right? $17. 5 2s are 10, 1, 5 2s are 10, 11, 110. 6 times 12, 1, 6 2s are 13, 6 times. So we can say approximately 86%, right? Because I'm getting an answer as 0.86 against 0, 5 something. So we need to find an approximate value. So we can say that approximately the answer will be 86%. So based upon the option, so definitely the option will be around 86 or 85%. So we can say that answer for this question will be 86% approximately, right? So which is the answer for question number 3. So next question is question number 4. So what is the second highest number of passengers, right? So our target is to find second number of passengers. So you don't want to find everything separately. Just look at the percentage. The highest will be S. Train S is highest because 24% is highest. But they are asking the second highest. So second highest will be M, which is 20%. So answer for the question number 4, where 20%, that is train M, right? So last question, fifth question. How much more percentage approximately the number of passengers are there in train M as compared to the number of passengers in train L? So just now I have told you the formula, right? Just look at the sentence carefully. How much more percentage? Understood or not? How much more percentage? What is the formula here? X is what percentage more or less than Y? So the formula will be X minus Y divided by Y into 100. Understood? So never forget this formula. And second important thing, some students will have a confusion whether I should put X in the denominator or Y in the denominator. So if you are confusing in this area, then better do one thing. Just find for which value we need to compare. Just see here, the number of passengers there in train M as compared to which value we need to compare to train L. So we have to compare with the train L, right? So the train L should comes in the denominator. So numerator will be both the train difference. That's it, right? So train L, how much percentage? 15%. So train L will be 15%, and the numerator will be M minus L, that is 20 minus 15, which is 5%. So friends, understood area or not, right? So train L, M minus L into 100. This is the formula, right? So the comparison train should comes in the denominator. So the numerator will be the difference. If you are getting an answer in negative, then it is less. If you are getting an answer in positive, then it is more. So in the question itself, they have given a more. So we are getting the answer in positive, right? So into 100. So percentage, 1 5s are 3, 5 3s are 15. So 100 by 3 will be definitely 33.333. It goes on. So definitely, and here also we don't want to find an approximate value. How much more percentage approximately? So we can say approximately 33%. Right? So based upon the option, we can say the answer will be 33% approximately. So which is the answer for the last question in set number 1. Okay friends, so second set of DA, that is based on a table chart. So the number of members in 5 health organization during 5 given years. So totally they have given 5 years and 5 health organization, that is A to E, and all the values are not in percentage, all the values they have directly given in terms of numbers. Right? So first question, what is the respective ratio between the total number of members in the health club C 2009 and 2011 together? So our target is to find the ratio for 2 health club, that is health club C and health club E. So C and E, our target is to find the ratio for the given year, that is for 2009 and for 2011, right? So for 2009, where health club was 158, so 158, in 2011 128. A ratio for the second club 2171 plus 181, right? So now add 8 and 8 will be 16 so 5 8, so this will be 2, so 2 here, 14 and 15 352, so 286 and 352. I think 13 times we can reduce it, because 13 into 22, right? 13 into 22 will be 286. So 12 to 352, 16. So 13 is to 16. So if I cancel it on 22 table, it will be 13 is to 16. It's no issue if you can't able to cancel directly by 22 table, not a problem. Just cancel it by 2 table initially, and then again and again if you keep on cancelling it, at some point you will get 13 is to 16, right? So answer for this question is 13 is to 16 will be the ratio. Again, if you can't able to find the calculation fastly, no issue. If you cancel it by 2 table or by 3 table, definitely after 2 step you will get this answer, 13 is to 16, right? So which will be the answer for question number 1, right? So what is the next question? If 62% of the total number of members in health club C, D, E together in 2010 are males. So what is the total number of male members? So they are just saying out of total where 62% are males. So our target is to find what is that 62%, right? So first C, D and E. So C, D and E, and they have given for the year 2010. So first let me find what is the total of C, D, E. So C will be 163 and D will be 147, right? So E will be 140. So now we have to add it. So 7 will be 10, remainder will be 1. So 4 and 4 will be 8. So 8 plus 6 will be 14. So 14 plus 1 will be 15. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 450. So 450 will be the total, right? So the total members, health club members in the three organizations, that is C, D and E. But our target is to find the male members. So male members is how much percentage? 62%. So 62% can be written as 62 by 100. Cancel 0, 0 here. So cancel it on 5 table. 9 5s are 45. 2 times. So cancel it on 2 table. 31 times. So 9 3s are 27. So 279. So 279 will be the total number of males in 3 health group, that is C, D and E in the year 2010. So friends, understood. First we need to find the total. You don't want to find separately 62% for each value. That will be a long process. So first add all the 3 clubs total and we found 450. So out of this 450, find what is 62%, right? So 62% will be 279. So which is the answer for question number 2. So third question. So what is the difference between the total numbers of member in health club A and B together in 2009? So our target is to only find the difference, the total of one health club, difference of the second health club. So it is easy, right? So because the first health club, which is A and B together in 2009. So 2009 A will be 198, B will be 207. So 198 plus 207 will be the first part. So difference of second part. So second part will be D and E in 2013. So D and E 2013, 141 plus 167. So 141 plus 167. 15, remaining will be 1. So 9 plus 1 will be 10. Remaining will be 1, 2, 3 and 4. So 405. Difference of 7 plus 1 will be 8. 6 plus 4 will be 10. 1, 1, 2 and 3. So 308. So now 405 minus 308. $97, right? 97, 15, 1, 9, 1, 10, 405. Yes, 97 is the difference, right? So difference between the two health group, difference of the second two health group, the answer will be 97. So which is the answer for question number 3. Okay, so next question, question number 4. So what is the average number of members in a health club A, C and E in 2012? Yes. So we need to find an average for 3 health club and in the year of 2012. So it is easy, right? 142 plus 181 and then the last will be 196. So we have to find the average. So divided by 3, that's it, right? So 6 plus 1 will be 7, 7 plus 2 will be 9. So 9, 13, 8, 21, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 519 divided by 3. So 1 3s are 3. So remaining will be 221, 73, 173. So 173 will be the average for the members in the L club, that is A, C and E. So easy question, right? Just we need to find only the average. So you have to look at the chart and you have to add the value. That's it. Most of the question in this chart that is based upon only addition and subtraction, right? So you have to be little bit faster to find the addition values and subtraction value. That's it. So last question, the number of members in a health club B is increased by what percentage from 2010 to 2013? Okay, so number of members in health club B increased by. So friends, just see here, increased by what percentage, right? I have told you a formula, more or less, or increased or decreased, both are same, right? More will be positive, less will be negative, and most of the students will have a confusion here. Just here, there is no comparison value. Our target is to find the number of members in a health club B increased by what percentage from 2010 to 2013, right? That's it. But they didn't ask us to compare with 2013. Our target is to find that health club B increased by what percentage. So just see here, in 2010 health club B is how much? 125, right? So in 2013 health club B is how much? 190. And most of the students don't know how to write in a perfect formula, right? That is the problem here. So some students will write like this, 125 minus 190 divided by 190 into 100. Some students will write this as 190 minus 125 divided by 125 into 100. Right? Because if it is to compare, then it is easy, because the comparison value should comes in the denominator. But here there is no comparison. Our target is to find how much increase in the percentage from the year 2010 to 2013. So here the first formula is actually wrong. The first way of writing is wrong. How? Because the easy way to identify it, when you subtract 125 minus 190, the resultant answer is what? It's a negative. So friends, yes or no, right? 125 minus 190 is what? The value that we are getting in negative. But they are asking what increased percentage. If it is an increased percentage, the answer must be positive. So if you write like this, the complete method will wrong. So when you write like this, the answer will be in terms of positive. 190 minus 125. So resultant will be 65, right? Yes, 65 divided by 125 into 100. So here we are getting an answer in positive. So which means it is increased percentage. The percentage what we are going to get after solving it, the resultant answer will be increased, because the answer is in positive. If you write like this and find the solution, it is wrong. Why? Because the numerator 125 minus 190 we are getting in terms of negative. If it is a negative, then it is a decreased percentage, not an increased percentage. But in the question they have asked us to find increased by what percentage. So definitely this method is wrong. So you have to write 190 minus 125 divided by 125. So now 6500 divided by 125. So this will be 5 times 625, right? So remaining will be 25, that is 250. So 2 times 52 percentage. That's it. So no approximate value, because we are getting directly the answer is 52 percentage. So this will be the answer for the second set, last question. So interesting set and easy set. So you have to be careful on addition and multiplication, the subtraction part, ratio, cancellation part. So no other toughest questions are asked based upon this chart. Only one, the last question is important, right? So students, those who are writing like this, it is wrong. So only way, this is the right way to solve the question. So in case if they are asking, right, how much percentage decrease, in that scenario you can go with this method, because we have to get the answer in negative. Got it? So this will be the answers for set number 2, data interpretation. So here is the third set of data interpretation. So so this will be the answer for the question. Okay friends, so third set is based on a bar chart, right? So the chart that is based on 2 store M and N. So total number of scarves that has been sold by the 2 companies. So starting from the year 2003 to 2007. So all the values are directly given, right? So let me move on to the first question. If the respective ratio between the total number of scarves sold by M and N together in 2003 and that in 2008 is 7:11. So just see here, the two companies M and N, the total scarves that are sold by the company in the year 2003 as well as in the year 2008 is in the ratio 7:11. But in the chart, they have given only till 2007. So here the ratio value is for 2003 and 2008. Right? So what is the total number of scarves that was sold by M and N together in 2008? So friends, our target is to find what is the total number of scarves that was sold by M and N in the year 2008. But 2008 is 11 ratio, 2003 is 7 ratio. And 2008 was not given in the chart, but 2003 has been given. Just look at the chart 2003. What is the value they have given? So 2003 M and N. So M and N in 2003. So how much? So 390 and 240. So 390 plus 240. So this will be in the year 2003 the total scarf that was sold by the two company. So 0, so 9 plus 4 will be 13 plus 1, so 630. So 630 will be the total scarf that was sold by the two store M and N, and this 630 is in the ratio 7 because 2003 both the stores sold a scarf is 7 part, right? So 7 part will be the value that we found is 630. So our target is to find what is the total number of scarves sold in the year 2008. So 2008 11 part were sold, so 11 part is equal to X. So X is equal to 630 into 11 divided by 7. So this will be 9 times. So X is equal to 990. So 990 will be the total number of scarves that was sold in the year 2008 by two stores, right? So friends, understood or not? Right? The value they have given for 2003 in the chart, but our target is to find 2008. So first in 2003 we found the total scarves sold, which is 7 part, and our target is to find 11 part because 11 part is in 2008. So 11 part is equal to X, just cross multiply it. So finally we got 990. So 990 will be the total scarf that was sold by two store M and N in the year 2008. So this will be the answer for question number 1. So second question, if the total number of scarves sold by M and N together in 2010, again they are talking about 2010, but the chart value was still only, they have given up to 2007, right? So in 2010 is 105% of 2004. Just see, in 2004, right, in 2004 105% will be the total number of scarf that was sold in the year 2010, right? Understood? So now what is the target? What is the total number of scarves that was sold by M and N together in 2010? So first let me find 2004. What is the total scarf that was sold? So 2004 is how much? 2004 170 and 310, which is 480. So 480 will be the total scarf that was sold in the year 2004 by both the stores. So now in 2010, which was 105% of 480. So 105% of 480 is how much? 105% can be taken as 100 plus 5. So 100% will be 480. So 5% will be 24. So 4, 10, 1. So 504. So 504 will be the total number of scarf that was sold by store M and store N in the year 2010. Right? It is like I have just splitted 105 as 105. So I solved by this kind of method. If you want, you can solve like this: 105 divided by 100 into 480. 105% of 480. You too will get the same answer, 504. Right? Anyway, but the final answer should be same. So answer for question number 2 will be 504, right? Our target is to find 2010, which is 105% of the scarf that was sold in 2004. So first 2004 we found the total, and for the total we found what is 105, so which is 504. So next question, third question, the number of scarves that was sold by M decreased by what percentage from 2005 to 2006? So just now I have told you, right? Just see, we need to find the decreased percentage, not the increased percentage. In the previous chart, we have learned one solution to find increased percentage. I have told you how to write the value. So here it is decreased. So decreased is 2005 to 2006. So 2005 is how much? 360 and 280. So just see here, our target is to find a decreased percentage. So 280, understood, minus of the second value, which is 360 divided by 360 into 100. So friends, understood or not? If you wrongly write 360 in the front and 280 at the second, the complete answer will be wrong. Why? Because you will get the answer in positive, but here our target is to get the answer in negative. So that's the reason 280 minus 360, so you will get the answer in negative, so decreased percentage. So now we can cancel it. 280, so this will be 2080 here. So minus of 80 divided by 360 into 100. So 0, 0, we can cancel it. 4 times 2, 4 times 9. So 200 divided by 9. So 9 2s are 18, 22. So 22.222 it goes on. So we can say that 22% approximately decrease. So why we are saying it as a decrease? Because here we got a negative. So only if we get a negative, the answer will be in terms of decreased percentage. If you write the same step like this, 360 minus 280 divided by 280 into 100. Is this correct way of writing? No, it is wrong. Why? Because if you write in this way, then the numerator value will be positive. Then you will not get a decreased percentage, you will get an increased percentage. But according to the question, the number of scarves sold by M decreased by what percentage? Our target is to find the decreased by, that is our target to find the answer in terms of negative. So that's the reason I have written 280 first, 360 second. So the value that you are writing here should comes in the denominator, 360 into 100. Understood? So which will be the answer? Whether approximate value? No, approximate value they have not given, but we are getting in terms of 22.222 something. So definitely the answer will be in the range of 22%, right, based upon the options. So this will be the answer for question number 3. So next question, question number 4. So what is the difference between the total number of scarves that was sold by M in 2003 and 4 together, total number of scarves sold by 2006 and 2007 together? Just see, a simple question. Our target is to find only the difference. So difference of 2 years. So first year, which is M in 2003. So M in 2003 is 380. So plus next will be 290. So difference of the second year, again for 2006 and 2007 for N. So 2006 will be 390. So plus 170, right? Okay, so 0, 17, 1, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 670 minus of 0, 16, 1, 3, 4, 5. So 560, 110. So 110 is the difference. So 110 will be the difference of the given year for the given store, the scarves that was sold, right? So which will be the answer. So only the addition part is important. So you have to look at the year and the value carefully, and then you have to subtract it, right? So which will be the answer for question number 4. Okay. So last question. So what is the average scarf sold by the store N in 2005, 6 and 7? Okay. So 5, 6 and 7, the total scarf 360, 200, 360, 280, just average value. So 900. So total is 900. 900 divided by 3 will be 300. That's it. So answer for 5th question is 300, because we need to find only the average. So if it is an average percentage, then we have to think and solve. Just average value, total divided by 3. So total we got is 900. So 900 divided by 3 will be 300. Got it? So this chart seems to be little bit medium level. Why I am saying little bit medium level? Because there are more chance of making a mistake. So that percentage decrease, many students will make a mistake. And then some values in the first part, ratio, 7:11 ratio. There is more chance of making a mistake. So don't do that. It is easy to medium if you know the concepts, right? So which will be the answers for all the 5 questions on set number 3. So set number 4, data interpretation. So here it is based upon two charts. One is a bar chart where the total number of employees of 5 company has been given, and second is the table chart where male and female ratio has been given, right? So total number of employee, by using the second chart, that is table chart, we can find how much company A male and how much company A females are there in the company, right? So it is easy to find the solution for this type of data interpretation, even though it is difficult. So only one important thing that you need to do here is initially or else at some point try to find all the company's total male and all the company's total female separately. If you find the male total number of males in all the companies, total number of females in all the companies, then solving a data interpretation will be very simple. Usually these kinds of DA will take much time in the prelims exam. It might take even 7 to 8 minutes to solve one data interpretation. But the easy way is to solve these kind of question is initially find company A, how much male, how much female. Company B, how much male, how much female. So if you find that initially, even though it take 1 minute of time to find all those value, then within remaining 2 to 3 minutes, you can able to solve all the remaining questions. So that's the reason I'm saying, right? What is the first question? What is the number of male employees taking all the companies together? Just see, our target is to find what is the total number of male employees in all the companies together. So only way, let me find the male and female separately, right? So what is the 760, 840? So 760, 840. So company value 720, 640. So 720, 640 and 700. Right? So male values, we have to find the male. So first 13. So 13 will be male divided by the total will be 19 part. Understood. Second will be 840. So 4 divided by 7. So 840. I'm really sorry. 840 into 4 by 7. Right. So next will be 720. So 720 into 7 by 15, right? So next will be 640. So 640 into 9 by 640 into 9 by 20, and the last value 700. So into 23 divided by 35. Yes. So now if you find the male value, finding a female value is easy. Why? Because after finding a male, when you subtract that value with 760, resultant will be the female value, right? So we can do that. So this will be 4 times, which is 40. So 0, 4 into 3 will be 12, remaining will be 1, so 520. So 520 will be the total number of males. So next will be 1, 2, 120, right? 120 will be 480. So 480 will be the second value. So this will be okay. So 15 fours are 60, right? So 15 fours are 60. Remaining will be 120. 8 times. So 48, 56, 5, 28, 33, 336. Okay, I don't have an answer here, but let me find it. So 0, 32, 9 2s are 18, remaining 1, 9 3s are 27, 28, 288. So again this will be 2 times 20, 460, right? 460, 288. Okay, so these values are the total number of males. So finally we found the total number of males in all the companies will be 520, 480, 336, 288 and 460. So now what is our target? Our target is to find the females also. So according to the question, our target is to find the total male, but anyway we can find the female value also, right? So 520 minus 760 will be 240. So 240 will be females. So 480, 840. So 480, 840 will be 320 here. So 360. So 360 females, right? So next will be 336, 600, 8, 9, 10, 384. So next will be 288, 300, 352, 240. 384, 352, 240. Okay, so this will be the answer for females. So total number of females in a company, total number of males in a company. But actually cross check with, if you are like solving, try to cross check the answer, right? So what is the first question? What is the total number of male employees taking all the companies? So we need to find what is the total number of males, right? So 6, 14, 1, right? So 8, 10, 11, 14, 22, 2 times, so 5, 9, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 2084. So answer for the first question, yes, it is correct. So finally we have solved that correctly, because I have answer for the question but I don't have these options. So answer will be 2084. So 2084 will be the total number of male employees in the organization, right? So what is the second question? What is the approximate average number of female employees taking all the companies together? Just see, our target is to find what is the total number of female employees. We have to add all the values and we need to find the average, because they didn't ask you that only the total, they are asking only the average, approximate average, right? So 0, 6 here, so 6 plus 4, 10, 18, 22, 27, 2, so 3, 5, 7, 10, 1, 5, 7. So now we need to find the average. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So divided by 5. So 5 3s are 15, 1 5s are 5. So 315. So 315 will be the average value, approximate average. Why? Because it is like going in a decimal value. So we can say that the approximate average will be 315, right? So third question, so what is the difference between the number of male employee working in company A and C? So company A and C, right? What is the total? So 520, so plus 336. So we need to find the difference, right? So difference of company B and D. So sorry for the male employee, female employee company D and B and D. So B will be 360 and D 352. So we just need to find what is the difference, right? So difference between these two companies. So 6 here, 3 plus 5, 8, 56. So 2, 11, 1, 6 and 7. So 7, 12, 4 times here. So 5 and 4, 144. So 144 is the difference. Just see, it is very easy, because our target is to find only the difference. So difference of the male of two company, female of two company. We have already found male and females, right? So once if you find these values, then solving all the question, remaining question in the DA is simple. So this will be the answer for question number 3. So fourth question. So what is the ratio of female employee working in D and E respectively? Just see D and E. So D is how much? 352. So E is how much? 240. So our target is to find the ratio. We already found the female employees of both the company, 352 and 240. So 352 and 240. So now we need to cancel it. So this will be 16 times, this will be 15, right? 22 is to 15. So 16 into 2, 12, 1. Okay. So if you want, you can cancel it by 2 table and then finally you will get this answer. Or else you can directly cancel by 16. 16 into 15 will be 240. So if you cancel it by 16, 16 into 2 will be 32. So again remaining will be 332, 16 into 2 will be 32. So 22 is to 15. So further we can't able to reduce it. So we can say answer will be 22 is to 15, right? Easy. So now the last fifth question. So by what percentage the total number of employees of company C is more than company D? Just see here, they are asking more than. So more than, the answer will be positive. If it is less than, the answer will be negative. So here our target is to find what percentage more of company C and D. So C is how much? 720 and D is how much? 640. So 720 divided by 640 into 100. So friends, understood or not? If you write 640 initially and 720 after that, you will get an answer in negative. So but the question says by what percentage of total employee is more than. So more than will be positive. So definitely if we need to get a positive, then 720 should comes in the front and 640 should comes in the second, right? So now this will be 60 here. So 60, 80. So 80 divided by 640 into 100. 8 times. So 100 by 8, 12.5. Right? I think 12.5. Yes, 12.5. So 12.5 percentage will be the answer for the question. Right? Easy. So when you feel these kinds of question, not only this question, many areas you can able to see these sort of question, like by giving the total and the second chart male and female ratio. So and then they will be asking you 5 questions. So in most of the cases, 99% of the cases, try to find this initially. If you find this initially, then solving all the 5 questions is easy. Without finding all the values, if you try to find every time while solving every question, if you try to find the male and female, that will be little bit hard, but you can, but that will feels like little bit hard in most of the cases. So better spend 1 or 1.5 minutes to find the value initially. So once after, even though it takes 2 minutes to find this value, so after 2 minutes, all the remaining questions you can solve within 2 minutes. So totally 5 questions you can able to solve in 4 minutes, right? So practice more number of questions like this. So these are the answers will be for set number 4. So friends, here is the set number 5 DA. So they have given a table chart, as well as they have given a pie chart. So where the pie chart is based on, so the total books that was returned, and the table chart will be total number of books that was sold, right? So subjects will be like A to F and different subjects has been given, and all the values are in hundreds, right? So first question, either way, in 2 questions back I have told you one part, like initially try to find the total number of males and total number of females. Solving the complete question will be easy. Similarly, these kinds of question also you can do that. You can find the company A, shopkeepers, right? So shopkeepers A alone, how many books totally sold? You can find that also. That will helps you to solve the remaining sort of questions easily. It is your wish, right? So either way, let me see what is the first question. What of the following shopkeepers sold maximum number of books in the month? See, our target is to find, option is also given A, E, D, F, C. So our target is to find which shopkeeper sold the most number of books. So we just want to add all the subjects books. So shopkeeper A, so 3 plus 6, 9, 16, 17, 22, 30. So shopkeeper A will be 30 and all the values are in 100. So which means shopkeeper A sold 3000 books. So similarly B, so 2 plus 1 will be 3. So 22, so 9 plus 1 will be 10, 10 plus 2 will be 12, so 14, 22, 26, 2600 will be B, right? So next will be C, so 6 plus 4, 10, 19, 20, 27, so 2700 will be C, so D will be 9, 11, 19, 26, 26, 30, 33. So 3300 will be D. Let me find all the shopkeepers, right? So instead of option as they have given only 5 options, let me find all the shopkeepers, how much books they have sold. So 5 plus 1, 6, 15. So 15 plus 8 will be 22, 24. So 24, 31. 3200 books were sold by company E and the company F. So 5 plus 3 will be 8, 8, 16, 22, 26, 35. So company F will be 35, that is 3500. So these are the total number of books that was sold by the shopkeeper A, B, C, D, F. So now according to the first option, our target is to find who sold the maximum number of book. So maximum number of book that was sold by F, which is 3500. So 3500 will be the maximum number of books that was sold by the shopkeeper, right? That is F. So which will be the answer for the first question. So second question, so once you find all the values, right, solving mostly the remaining question will be easy. If you try to solve each time while reading every question, if you try to solve the total, then it will be time waste, right? So second question, what is the ratio of books sold by shopkeeper A and F? A ratio, right? A and F. So A is how much? 3000, right? So F is how much? F will be 3500. So our target is to find the ratio. So cancel it on 5 table. So this will be 6 and this will be 7. So 6 is to 7. So 6 is to 7 will be the answer for question number 2. So third question, what is the approximate average number of books that was sold by B, C, D together? So B, C, D. So B is how much? 2600. So B, C, D. So 0. So 0. 7 plus 3 will be 10. 10 plus 6 will be 16. Remaining 1. So 4, 7 and 8. So 8600. So 8600 and our target is to find the average. So average totally we have calculated for 3 shopkeepers. So divided by 3. Right? So 3 2s are 6. 8 3s are 24. 6 3s are 18. 26 to 2 6 something, right? 2 8 6 6 it goes on. So we can say that approximate answer, either it can be 2867 or 2865. So based upon the option. But the answer will be like 28666 it goes on. So we can say approximately 2867 is the answer for question number 3. So fourth question, if a total 4000 books were returned, what is the A share in them? So just see here, they have given 2 charts, right? In the second chart, they are talking about the total books that was returned. And the first chart, they are talking about the total books were sold. So now according to the fourth question, so out of 4000 books, how many percentage of books were returned in A? So according to the chart, you can see the percentage of book returned by shopkeeper A is 18%. So similarly, our target is to find out of this 4000 books, so shopkeeper A alone, 18% of the books were returned, right? 18, yes. So now we need to find it. So 0, 0, 0 here. So 8 4s are 32. So remaining will be 3, 72 and 1 0, 720. So 720, yes, 720 will be the total number of books that was returned by the shopkeeper A. That is the share of A, right? So this much of books they have returned. So last question, what is the difference between books sold by A and E? Sold by A and E. So our target is to find the difference. So A is how much? 300. E is how much? 3200. And now our target is to find the difference, right? So difference will be like only 200 is the difference. So we can directly say the answer for this question is 200. Sold or returned? Sold, yes. It will be 200. So all the 5 questions seems to be easy, not that much a difficult level question. So here in this video we have solved the first 5 set of DA. So totally 20 sets of DA. I will be planning to make a video of it, like Target-100 series in this series. But at a stage, if you can't able to learn all the 20 DA, that is not possible because it takes 4 to 5 hours of time. So only we are splitting this video into 4 parts, 5 sets on each video. So in this video, I have taught you 5 sets of data interpretation. So where you have learned most of the questions are medium level to easy level, but there are few questions that make more chances of making a mistake. That is X is what percentage more or less than Y. So second DI, first DI and fourth DI, I have taught this. If it is an increased percentage, what you need to do. If it is a decreased percentage, how to write the numerator value. Most important, even some experts might make a mistakes in the exams. So be careful if the question is like to find increased percentage or decreased percentage, right? If it is only a percentage change, the formula is different. I will be teaching you on 8th or 9th set. So next video, I think so, the sets will be like percentage change. So there we will use a different formula, but here out of this 5 set, we have learnt one important concept. If it is increased percentage or decreased percentage, the formula is same, x minus y divided by y into 100. But the only difference is if it is an increased percentage, you have to get a numerator value positive. If you need to get a numerator value positive, then you have to write the value according to the format, right? If it is a negative, that is decrease, you have to write the value according to the format that the numerator where we need to get a negative symbol. right? So that's it. So do not sit and buy out any formulas in data interpretation, because if you buy out the formulas, you can't able to apply the logic inside the formula. That will be difficult. So if you understand the concept, then by adding a formula is not needed. You don't want to waste the time. So friends, thank you so much for watching this video. In the next session of DI Target 100, so we will be solving set number 6 to 10. So totally I will be teaching you 20 sets of data interpretation for this year bank exams. So friends, thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to purchase the test package on my website or in my mobile application. So thank you so much friends. Bye.